usually means that, you know, price is about to linger around, and most likely, you know, the buyers will come in the market, push the price upwards. This is also a good sign that sellers are exhausted. So after a massive downtrend, if we see a ranging pattern happening, it usually is a sign that it tells us that, you know, sellers are exhausted, and, you know, buyers and sellers are both equal in the market. That's why the market is moving sideways, and it's also a good sign at a very strong support level that, you know, buyers will come in any moment and push the price upwards. So we are expecting gold to maybe end the day today at 1917. We'll be keeping a close eye how gold really reacts to this support level. Currently is below this level, so once the gold breaks above, retest the levels of, you know, this EMA resistance of 1907, once the price reaches this level of 1906, 1907, and once that level breaks, we could see gold, you know, going back to the highs of 1916. Currently gold, you know, very strong support level. You know, this again, when the price reaches this level, we could see a drop from this level back to levels of 1900. So most likely a ranging pattern is happening on a longer term basis, but currently looking to, you know, buy gold, currently looking for entries on gold as buys, because as long as price is at this level, is a very good buy, and we could actually catch some few good pips. What EMA is that? So this is a 50 period EMA. So this is a 50 period EMA is closed. So you have two kinds of EMA: open, close. This is exponential EMA, not a normal moving average. This is exponential EMA. So, you know, we're using 50 EMA. So as long as, you know, price is below this 50 EMA, we look for sell. But when the price is reaching quite strong support level, we can see the price, you know, going all the way as high as 1906. And once the price reaches that level, you know, we could see a breakout and rise above to 1917. So keeping a close eye, how price really, you know, reacts to this 50 EMA. Again, also, whenever price drops that low, far from EMA, usually goes to retest. So you must have seen, you know, usually when a price is below the EMA, it usually goes back and retests the EMA before making a move upwards or move downwards. So currently, price is, you know, just above this EMA. Currently, as we're speaking, price has gone above it. Let's go to a more short time frame to be easier for us to see. Let me go to 5 minutes quickly. So on a 5 minutes, we can see that price is making a, you know, trying to break up above this downtrend. So this was a strong downtrend, but then we have a strong, you know, green candles coming up under the strong indicator. You know, we could see price moving up back to 1903. So this is our first target. We could see on a short time frame, 1903 is the first target. First target, 1906 is a longer target on 15 minutes. On short minutes, we could see a 1903 retest. Once this level get retest, a level, you know, quite a strong resistance at this level here. We did see price dropping from here. So when this level breaks, we could see price going back to 1906. So keeping a close eye how gold moves about in hourly, you know, in this last 1 hour or so. It's going to be quite important for gold to really determine whether gold is moving for next few days. So quickly looking at DXY and gold is always, you know, on a similar things. When DXY is going up, gold is usually going down. When DXY going down, the gold is usually going up. So quickly watching how gold reacts to this level. So looking at DXY, so DXY currently testing a very strong support level of, you know, a daily support level. Let's go to daily right now. So this is a daily resistance level. Currently DXY is testing is above this 50 MA. So it's broken above 50 MA. I mean, on a longer term, we could see DXY rising quite strongly as high as this could be the next target. We could be looking at DXY rising of 95.83, 96.03 could be the next target of DXY, which is about 200 points, which is about 2,000 pips. So we could see DXY rising about next 200 points or so, which is this level here. Very strong sign of DXY rising. So on that sign, we could see gold going down. But on a short-term time frame, as you know, gold is more of a, you know, a scalp trading, not a longer term. You really don't hold, you know, pairs such as gold on longer time frame. Short time frame, we are seeing, you know, ranging pattern. As I said, when market moves at a very strong resistance and starts ranging, it usually means that it's about to drop, and we could see it drop back to lows of 93.79. And, you know, if that happens, then gold is most likely going to back to highs of 1917 or 1920. So that's our analysis for gold. We're going to look at quickly GPSD as well. So today gold has not been moving as we predicted. So, but most likely, but gold does that usually. And, after such a volatile times, gold usually doesn't move as we predict. But gold is at a very strong support level. So as long as gold reacts out and stays at that level, we could be seeing a strong momentum upwards. So GPSD currently at a very low price as 1.2711, hasn't been that low for quite a long time. Let me see last time when the GPUSD was this low. Let's go reset. Zoom out. Currently testing the levels of 1.27. So last time GP was this low was 23rd of July. Wow. So August, September, about two months plus. GP hasn't been that level. So currently testing a very strong support level. This is a very strong support level because we can clearly see last time the price was at this level. We saw a massive uptrend about 1.27. It went all the way up to 3. So it went about 500. With this 400, with this 400 pip movement, got last time GP at this level again today in the morning when price was at this level. We saw GP rising from 1.2721 to all the way to 1.286. It's about 100 and 120 pip momentum in one go. Today in GP, so reaching a very strong support, looking to buy at this level, but currently a very strong downtrend, so we have to keep holding GP at this level. Not looking to enter this GP right as of now, because in a short time frame we do not have a really good strong confirmation for us to really enter the market. For us to really enter the market, we need to see a breakout above this level. Once the GP breaks up by 1.2747, then maybe we can enter the market as a buy and look to hold. First target would be on this EMA resistance, then the second target would be around 1.2835. But overall, GP has reached a very strong support level, and we could see GP rising from here. But again, I need to see a breakout. First, need to see a breakout above this level before we can really enter GP as a buy. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining our Zoom call. Again, if you have any questions right now, you can ask us right now. We'll be more than happy to help you. We do have some questions here. Someone asked me what EMA is that. I explained it's a 50-period EMA. Which we hope, client, which we use personally, because as long as the price is below this EMAs, we look to sell. But if a price is reaching a very strong support or very strong resistance, then we do not consider this EMA. Then we just trade purely on price action and purely on support resistant strategy. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining. Gold is on a buy so far. Gold currently is a buy, not yet. You have to wait, as I said, on a gold trade. So let me just go on gold chart quickly again. So gold currently is above this level. So as long as an hour, as I said, you have to wait for an hour candle close right now. So as long as this candle, hourly candle closes above this 1900 support level, which is this level here, the blue line here, then yes, you can enter as a buy. But again, I would recommend, if you are looking to buy this trade, look for a very, very small loss, go for the smallest loss possible, and do not enter too many trades. Maybe just take one position and wait for how it plans out, because gold is really volatile. So you could see a massive whipsaws in the market. You have a sell for GPSD. So GPSD sell, depends whether you took the sell. If you took the sell right at the support level 1.27, then that's a very good sell, because that's a very strong support level, as I just explained. So if you're not in a massive loss, maybe close the position and look for a re-entry. If you are looking to sell, wait for a breakout of that 1.27 support level. Once that breakout happens, then is a proper good opportunity for it to sell. For right now, I would not recommend selling GPSD at that level, because we already have seen is a quite strong support level. You're still holding gold. It depends what kind of a gold are you holding. If you're holding sell, then it's still all right, because we could see some kind of momentum downward. But if you're buying and you just bought now, I recommend holding it. I recommend holding gold for now. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining, and hope you have a good trading into the trading day.